Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial guide session on this YouTube community. And in today's video tutorial guide, I will be showing you how you can create a blur background, a motion like background, just like the one you can see right here on my screen. So this was not the original background I downloaded, but I was able to create this motion like blurry stuff effect with my smartphone with an amazing tool that I'll be showing you in the next few minutes. So let me look at the design I was able to create using that background. Can you see how sweet and how awesome this look? So creating a blurry background, creating a motion like background makes your design stand out. It makes your design stand out, and it also give your design a like something like a gradient background that makes your design sweet. So if today's video tutorial guide is something you want to watch and learn how you can do it, kindly wait to the end of this video tutorial guide. If you are new to this channel, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and I'm sure you'll be getting valuable content from this video. Please like this video and share this video to your creative friend. So without wasting much of the time, let's get you right into the app we'll be using in creating this. So now the app we'll be using is called Snapseed. Snapseed is an amazing app that you can find in any Play Store, if it's an Android mobile phone. So you just go over to Play Store, search for Snapseed. This is it over here, SNAPSEED, this green leaf icon. So just go over, install, and do some stuff over it. And when you have it, this is the home page. So when you're on the home page of this Snapseed, just click on this plus button. This plus button will take you right to your gallery, and you will be able to select whatever you want to blur. Okay, this over here, I'm in my own background resources folder. So I'll just select one of these picture that I want to blur. Let me just look for a picture that I want to blur. No, okay, let me go with this one over here. So this is one of these image I want to blur, and to make this blur, this image, just go over to this tool feature, this middle tool icon, this middle one. When you get there, just move around, and in this around you will see this place called lens blur. Just click on this lens blur, and when you click on this lens blur, you have the opportunity to choose two kind of blur effects. If you want the round one, this is the round one, and if you want the square one, this is the square one. So depending on what you want to work with, you can go with it. So to change it, so I need something like this is circular. I need something that's circular, so I just need to work on it now. See, this is how this is a place where you need to be sensitive in this video. So if you want to if you want to increase the strength and how blurry it looks, kindly watch this video carefully now. So now we need to use your two fingers to control this is this slider watch. You can just call it a slider. If you want to like just show the, let's say you want a point, you want the point you want to blur, so you have to use your just two fingers to blur it, just like you can see over here. So now I've been able to do this. So the way you want to turn, you can just just turn it around to the one you like. And when you have something like this, just go on the screen and just try to shift the slider, just like it's like you want to swipe up or down. When you swipe up and down, it's going to bring another feature that you have to work with. So this first one is the blur strength. So this blur strength like increase the how blurry you want it to look like. If you want the blur effect to be added on it, so just increase it, and if you want to reduce it, just go down. So this gives you the opportunity to work with the blur strength. And the next one, just swipe up or down, is the transition. This transition like is how the blur is going to look. If you want the blur to look sharper or even duller, that is what this transition work with. And the last one, which is the virginal strength. This virginal strength like is more like a shadow around the background. So if I go over here, can you see that it's now looking blurry? The edges are looking darker. So this is basically how you can do this. And if you want to work with the second one, which is the square one, so just apply the same thing with it. Just use your two fingers and just swipe the slider down, go over and work with all this stuff over here. So this is basically how you can do this. And if you want to work with the middle, just bring the slider down, and when you bring the slider down, you have something like this. And when you are done, you can literally go on this. And if you want to work on it even more, just go over to this tree again, go over to this details over here. You can use this structure details, going to even like make it stronger, and use this sharpening effect on it. So this is basically how you can do this. And if you want to save to your gallery, just click on this export and click on save to your gallery, and you will have it saved to your gallery. So let me show you what we just finished doing here. So I'll go over to my gallery and show you what we just finished doing on that Snapseed. So this was the one. Okay, let me go back again. So this was the one we just finished doing. This is one with blood. Can you see how awesome this look? And let me show you the real background. Let me just search for it. Let me show you the real background and show you the difference of what we just did now. Oh, let me look for my background folder. So okay, this was the original picture. This was the original picture of what we did. Can you see? This was the original, and this is the one we just blur. This is the one we find today's video helpful, which I'm very sure it was helpful and valuable. Kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel to get more valuable, so you can be the first to receive updates, and share this video to your closest friends. Thank you for watching today's video tutorial guide. See you at the next video.